Are they still interested in you, guys? This is your message for today. Are they still interested in you? I'm just getting like you guys have been getting telepathic messages from your person and you just want to find out whether they are still interested in you. I'm just thinking that this is for someone who's separated long. Okay, you guys are separated from a long term and you still want to find out whether they are interested in you, still interested in you, which means that you are getting some kind of telepathic messages, or you are finding this intuitively that your person is somewhere missing you, and we just want to find out whether this is true for you and whether you should look forward to the same person, whether you should count your blessings and or you should move forward, right? So this is your reading for today. Okay, if you like it, like the message, like this reading particularly, and I wish you all the very best from my side. Let me know in the comment section where you are watching from. I would love to know where my audience is right now. And although I know I have looked at the stats, like where are you guys watching me from, but you can let me know in the comment section below today where you are watching from. Okay, any of you who is interested to book a personal session with me for readings, for counseling, yes, you can book with me on WhatsApp. The number you can find in the description box below. Okay, let's find out whether this person is still interested in you. God, please guide me for today's collective, whether this person is still interested in my collective or not. Let's find out what the full reading comes up today. I'm still gonna take my cards and shuffle them for the best messages that my collective needs. We have the 10 of Swords in here, first card, okay? The Fool is here. Okay. Nine of Cups is here. Okay, you still have some kind of feelings to let go of. There is Eight of Cups. My God. I feel like you closed out the cycle with this person. We have the Justice. Okay. Eight of Swords is here. Oof. You guys, there is Four of Wands. This is the Wheel of Fortune. Right. 10 of Wands is here. King of Wands. Okay, I'll take one card from your person, what they want to say to you. Okay, there are two cards what your person wants to say to you. We have the Sun and Nine of Pentacles. I'll take two cards for you, what you want to say to your person. Oh my God, what do you have to say to your person? Knight of Swords is here. Knight of Wands is here. Okay, but then I was also getting Two of Wands, which also means that you are waiting for your person and you want to celebrate with your person, something like that. Okay, let's just find out. I just want to say point blank to you guys, when you're thinking about this person, you think that this person gave you a heartbreak, this person betrayed you back big time. You thought that this person is betraying you. Okay, there was so much going on in your head, like you wanted this person and that this person betrayed you. You still think that this person is your wish fulfillment. Okay, we have the wish fulfillment cards. Okay, this for this person, you are their wish fulfillment. Honestly, they always, so what does your person also want to tell you? I just picked two cards and I want to show it to you. We have the Sun card, we have the Nine of Pentacles. They always look at you like a child. They behave like a child when they are with you. They also want you, they also want to dress up for you, something like that. They also want to like marry you, something with here with the marriage. They want you and they want to come back to you. They are looking forward for you. They have their like some so there are sometimes when you say that some person has a high hopes for you, it's not just that. They are most likely wanting to be with you again, and they are so positive about it. Okay, they're not just hopeful, they're positive that they want to be with you. Yes, they're coming back, they want back, they want you back. And for you, you're just behaving like a child. Okay, you're just behaving like a child. You just want to tell your person that I want to fight with you. Okay, I want to start also with you, but I want to fight you. I feel like some of you wants to give your partner proposals. So this Knight of Wands is telling me that you want to propose to your person with some kind of passion, with more like a romantic thing. Okay, you want to make this for your person as you know, some, like, you want to take your person out on a date, something like that is coming also. So let me tell you what is happening here. When you thought that this person is betraying you, this person did not actually betray you. You were falling into the trap of your own, you know, some kind of things that we say, you know, there are some kind of negative thinking that you do about yourself, or maybe you did. Okay, this thing has not left you since then. This thing has not left you since then. The time that you left your person, you thought that this, you needed to, you know, give your person more energy, give your person more time and more investment in your person. I think you did that a lot of times, even if you thought that they are gonna betray you. So the very first feeling when you saw your person, not the very first, but in the initial times, I feel like you thought that your person was betraying you big time. So this came hard on you, and you bought in all of those feelings that yes, my person is betraying me, and then you left. Okay, we have the Eight of Swords and we have the Eight of Cups. This is this could, you know, Thursday could be important for some of you. This is Jupiter energy. This is also some kind of karmas. I'm feeling karmas. Yes, Saturn and Pisces. Look at that. Karmas and Jupiter. Saturn and Jupiter are very much heavy on you guys, or they were. Okay, they were. So Jupiter is also Guru energy, and Saturn is also the Justice and the Karma energy. Look at that. We have the Justice card just next. So what happened with you? What happened with you is that you left your person because of negative thinking that your person is betraying you. So this was some kind of feeling that you had, but the most important feeling that you had for your person is that they are your wish fulfillment. You loved this person a lot. There was some kind of, you know that this person is in your destiny. This is for those people who know that they are your wish fulfillment and they are in your destiny. Both these cards, although this card came in reverse, which is completely giving me this vibe when I saw these two cards just above and below each other. Your person did not betray you. This card is giving me all the vibes. This is all the illusions that you bought. You bought those illusions because of some kind of karmas and Jupiter energy and negative thinking. And I'm telling you this, in case you're a spiritual person, you understand. You will not be feeling like, oh my god, she's giving me all the stabs in my heart right now. No, I'm not doing that. And if you're a spiritual person, you understand what I'm saying to you, because the Saturn energy was high at that time, Jupiter energy was high at that time. You bought into all of that betrayal feelings and you left your person. Okay, now you want your person to give you some kind of justice. You're thinking like your person will give you some kind of justice now. All you want is your person to contact you. I want you, saying I want you, and just be with me. I want to marry you, this and that. Okay, but let me tell you what is happening more. This person has a lot of responsibilities. This person could be a father of children. This person could be married to someone else. This person could have some kind of family background who needs them as earner, as maybe supportive. Okay, so this person has a lot of responsibilities, is the reason that they are not able to give you the justice, or may not have been providing you this justice for a long time. So I am not saying that your person is a god person and they are the most honest person ever. No, but I'm telling you what actually happened. So you wanted to have a fresh start with your person and get into a marriage. um they were like this dream come true for you, dream come true person. Okay, your person was a dream come true for you, and this the wheel of fortune. You met each other with the fate. You met each other, maybe you met each other at the wrong time, that I can say, because this card came in reverse, and this is completely a Jupiter energy. Okay, so you could be ruled by Jupiter, you could be ruled by Saturn also. Your total, like Moolank, what we say, okay, your total could be 1, your total could be 7 or 8, okay, or probably 10 or not 10. Okay, 10 is again 1. Yeah, 1 is very common, right? So we have received number 8, number 9, number 11, number 1, so much, so many times. Okay, number 9 is so much in here. Your person has never thought that you are the one who is betraying. Okay, your person has always looked at you with positivity. Your person has always looked at you, you know, as someone who they can trust, who they want to be with, who is very positive, and who makes them feel like a child. Your person looks at you with a very positive intentions, trust me on that. Because if these, look at that, these cards are for your person, what they want to say, and these cards are your cards, what you want to say. You are so fast, you are so fast, you know. In these times you could have felt that I am, or this person are marrying, sorry, are mirroring each other. So mirroring energy I'm receiving. Yes, moon is also very strong in your charts. Okay, you need to trust some things again in life. Okay, this is coming for you. You need to trust that yes, this is happening. So yes, they are still interested in you. If you want to say, this is 1212 Mahadeva's energy. In case you guys are spiritual, this is your confirmation. As soon as I said yes, this is 1212. 144 is your confirmation that yes, this person is still interested in you big time, and they are coming back for sure. Let's just find out. It could be, you know, 9 to 20 days timeline I'm feeling for a lot of you, that you will receive a text, receive a call, receive a meeting from your person. They will just surprise you with something, because they are in very high energy right now. Your person is in very high energy right now. It's not just their energy, it's your energy also combining with this person. And look at that, it's time to take away the anxiety, it's time to take away the patience, whatever it has been. You can get a text from your person for sure. Okay, now for some of you I'm receiving that, you know, there could be some kind of a third party try to, you know, make your person jealous, or tell something wrong about you to your person. Okay, something like that happen, because can happen. Okay, you are someone who is away from a lot of people. You are very much secured person. You are someone who is very much protected and secured. Okay, you are also could be a Libra. You could also be a Libra. You don't know what to do. So some things are just making coming to you, like some things are making you behave the way you should behave, but you're not completely how you should behave right now. What I'm saying through this is that you are supposed to be a person who does equality, who does right by everyone, something like that. Okay, we have Knight of Cups and the Hermit card. I have received those two cards just right now. Yeah, they are coming. Oh my god, yeah, I'm telling you, 9 days or 20 days. 19, not even 29 or 99 to 19 days. 9th of March, 19th of March could be specific for you, or 9 days from now. Look at that. This is King of Knight of Cups coming directly to you, and this is the Hermit. You are just at the Hermit position right now. I just told you, you're away from a lot of people. You're a very secured person. This person is coming to you with an offer. It could also be 11 days. So 9, 19, 11 days coming to you. Okay, very much coming to you. Some kind of, you know, destiny has changed, some kind of separation has been over. Okay, so something is changing. You guys are going to have second chances. You guys are going to have a communication, proper communication, what is happening. So I'm just feeling, for some of you, you are getting all of these things as some kind of messages for you, just to think about your person one more time. Think about, if this person really really loved you, if this person can be with you. So many possibilities can actually happen if you are thinking the way that yes, possibilities are there. Okay, if you're just closed up, if you're thinking like, I don't know what to do, I don't know what to do, I don't know whether I should be with this person or not, or you're saying just no. Okay, so yeah, there are the chances of being in the possibilities situation are not there at all. And your person, even if they come to you with no possibilities from your side, it's not gonna happen. Okay, so I'm just getting, for you, there are so many messages. Whosoever is today's collective, you are getting these messages just to think about your person one more time. Be ready for the changes, because definitely some kind of separation period is over. There is Jupiter energy very strong, that is telling me that you're supposed to live your life, you're supposed to be happy. You cannot live under the pressure of telling people that, I did something for a reason, I'm gonna stick to it for my whole life even if I'm not okay with it. So if you're not okay with being separating with your person, please be with them. Okay, this is your message. And in case you're okay to be alone right now, it's your choice. Okay, it's your choice. But they are coming to you with an offer, 9, 11, or 19 days. Save the date, come back to this particular section to tell me again that yes, you guys you guys got together again. Okay, or maybe you received a message, maybe there was a reconciliation. Just write down in the comment section where you're watching from. Write down in the comment section, yes, I'm getting my person back to me. Be confident this time. Okay, there's a 17 star energy. I'm getting my person back to me. Oh, I'm getting my person back to me. I need at least 100 people telling me that yes, you are exactly. So if 100 people are watching this and you are just thinking like, yes, I want my person back, you are getting your person back. Okay, tell the whole universe you are getting your person back this time. Okay, and yes, please claim this message. I'm just like just kidding right now. 100, I could even get 1,000 comments telling me that yes, I'm getting my person back. Okay, this should be your energy. This should be your energy when you want the life to love you, when you want to love life. It's your call to choose it right now, or you choose it after after 100 years probably. I don't know why I'm saying 100 and 1000 today, but okay, I don't know. But you are great. And in case you feel like booking a personal reading, contact me through WhatsApp. The number is in the description box below. Subscribe to my channel, press that notification bell icon so you don't miss out any updates. Lots of love. Radhe Radhe to all of you. Keep smiling. Okay.